You've probably heard hundreds of marketing tips when trying to grow your business. Run ads, build an email list, post on social, get referrals. But with limited time and resources, which options should you focus on? In this video, we'll show you how to choose the right channel or tactic depending on which part of your marketing funnel that's stuck. We'll be matching proven channels to each stage of the AARRR Framework, which stands for acquisition, activation, retention, referral, and revenue. We'll explain what each stage is, but if you need a deeper refresher on this framework, check out this other video. Let's dive right in. In the book Traction, Gabriel, Weinberg, and Justin Mares lays out 19 channels that you can test to gain customers. The goal isn't to master all 19 channels. Just figure out which channel works for you, double down, and drop the rest. And the best way to choose? Match the channel to your biggest bottleneck in the customer journey. Let's go through the 5 stages of AARRR to see which channels work best for each stage. First up is acquisition, which is about getting in front of the right people. If you are seeing high traffic but low conversions, you might be targeting the wrong people. So, which channels work best here? Social and display ads are great for building awareness quickly. They let you target specific groups, but you need to ensure that your message speaks to the pain points of your ideal customer. Content marketing and SEO attract people already searching for solutions. These channels take time, but they bring in highly qualified leads who are ready to engage. Partnerships and influencer collaborations help you to borrow trust and reach new audiences that already align with your offer. The key is to choose channels where your ideal customers already hang out and tailor your message to their pain points. Next is activation, which is about turning interest into a meaningful first engagement. If people leave the minute they land on your website, you have an activation problem. The goal here is to deliver a clear, compelling aha moment where customers truly understand your value. So what works at this stage? Landing pages and lead magnets help clarify your offer and encourage people to take that first small step, like signing up or downloading something valuable. Engineering as marketing is another powerful approach. This means creating free tools or resources like calculators, templates, or mini courses that demonstrate your expertise and value upfront, or offering product trials or samples to let people experience what you offer before committing. Your job here is to remove friction and make that first step as easy and compelling as possible. Now let's talk about retention. If every customer you acquire buys once and then disappears, you have to keep spending just to replace them, and that's extremely expensive. Retention is about giving people a reason to come back again and again. What are the channels and tactics that can help? Email marketing is one of the most effective. It lets you deliver personalized, timely messages that nurture the relationship and remind customers of your value. Push notifications and SMS are direct, quick ways to re-engage users with timely offers or updates. Customer support and success teams can also be seen as retention channels, because when you proactively solve problems and help customers get the most from your product, you also build trust and loyalty. The goal is to stay present and valuable, so customers want to keep coming back. Next is referral. This stage answers the question, are customers telling others about us? Word of mouth is the most trusted, cost-effective way to grow, but it only happens if you make sharing easy and worthwhile. Some effective channels include referral programs that offer customers clear incentives to invite friends, like discounts, credits, or exclusive benefits. Viral loops that build sharing into the product itself, where every new user has the potential to invite more users naturally. Or user-generated content can also amplify referrals by showcasing real customers and their experiences, building trust with new prospects. Finally, revenue. This is where you actually capture value, because even if you have lots of engaged visitors, you still struggle to grow if people don't buy or don't buy enough. Great channels and tactics include sales teams or one-on-one calls to help guide customers through complex or high-value decisions, build trust and address objections, offer optimizations like clear pricing tiers, urgency, guarantees, or simplified checkouts, or upsells and cross-sells to increase the average order value by solving more of your customers' needs. The goal is to make buying as easy and compelling as possible. The big idea here is to focus. Instead of trying all the tactics at once, choose the right channel for the right stage. Ready to grow your sales with the right channel? Check out our book summary for Traction for specific tips for all 19 channels, or Lean Analytics on how to measure success in each stage of your funnel.